Hello students. Now we are going to discuss about regarding differences between concurrent and sequential statements of VHDL. Differences between concurrent and sequential statements of VHDL. Now we differentiate these two statements. So first of all, what is concurrent statement? What is sequential statements? We have to know. Okay, that we discuss in differences between these two statements. Okay. Now coming to the first one, concurrent statement. Okay. So in concurrent statements, it is written, the statements which are declared outside of a process statement are termed as concurrent statement here. The statements which are declared outside of a process statement are termed as concurrent statements. So whereas the sequential statement, that is reverse. Okay, the statements which are declared inside of a process statement, that are termed as sequential statements. Okay, so already that is also written here. The statements which are declared inside of process statements are termed as sequential statements. Right. So those are the definitions of concurrent statement and sequential statements here. Next, the concurrent statements are employed with the data flow style. So these can be used in data flow style, but whereas the sequential statements that are used in behavioral style. So we are having three methods now: structural, behavioral, and data flow styles. Right. So in that we can write the VHDL code there. Okay, by using these three methods we can write the code, VHDL code. Right. Now coming to the third point, the concurrent statements that are event triggered. Okay, whenever the events are occurred, then these statements can be triggered here. So that's why we can say that these statements are event triggered here. Next here, the sequential statements that are not event triggered. Okay, already it is mentioned in the name, sequential. Okay, step by step. Fine. Next, fourth one, for the concurrent statement, for the execution of these statements, the order is not important. Okay, for the execution of these concurrent statements, the order is not important. But whereas the sequential statement, the order is more important, because the execution is in sequence here. Okay, it is important in sequential statements. Fine. And now coming to the fifth one, the concurrent statements operate on delta delay model. What is delta delay model? That we'll discuss in next classes, right? The concurrent statements operate on delta delay model, and after class can also be used to provide user defined delay. So to provide the user defined delay after class, we can use these concurrent statements. Okay, after class we can use these concurrent statements to provide the user defined delay, right? And next one, coming to the sequential statements, it cannot be used after class. Okay, it cannot be used after class. Okay, so all these are the differences. Okay, if you see the concurrent statements that can be declared outside of a process statement, that are called as the concurrent statements, but whereas sequential, that can be used inside the process statements. Okay, next, second one, these are employed with the data flow style, that is regarding concurrent statements, whereas sequential statements, that is employed with the behavioral style, right? And third one, the statements are event triggered, concurrent statements are event triggered, sequential statements are not event triggered, right? Next, for the execution of these statements, the order is not important. Okay, for the execution of these statements, the order is not important. Which one? Concurrent statement. Here the execution is for the execution of these statements, the order is more important regarding the sequential statements. Why? Because those are in sequence, right? Next, the concurrent statements that can be used after class, okay, to provide the user defined delay. Here the sequential statements that cannot be used after class. Okay, that is regarding differences between concurrent statement and sequential statement. Here we can see at a time, right, both differences between these concurrent statements and sequential statements. Okay, that is regarding differences between concurrent and sequential statements that are using in VHDL code. Okay then, thank you all. Thank you.